Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers 1 to 20. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, wow, green color. Red color. Wow, yellow color, yellow color. Children, you are doing great. Blue color. Brown color, brown color. Black color, black color. Okay, so now you draw 1 and use green color, green color. 1, O-N-E, 1. Children, you are doing great, nice. It's now you draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use red color. 2, T-W-O, 2, the numbers of 2. It's now you draw 3 and use yellow color. 3, T-H-R-W, 3, the numbers of 3. Children, you are doing great, nice. 4 and use blue color. F-O-U-R, 4, the numbers of 4. It's now you draw 5 and use brown color. 5, F-I-V-E, 5, the numbers of 5. It's now you draw 6 and use black color, black color. 6, S-I-X, 6, the numbers of 6. It's now you draw 7 and again use green color. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7, the numbers of 7. It's now you draw 8 and use red color. Children, you are doing great, nice. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. It's now you draw 9, the numbers of 9, and use yellow color. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. It's now you draw 10, the numbers of 10, and use blue color. 10, T-E-N, 10, the numbers of 10. It's now you draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use brown color, brown color. It's now you draw 12, the numbers of 12, and use black color, black color. Children, you are doing great, very good. It's now you draw 13, the numbers of 13, and use green color. 13. It's now you draw 14, the numbers of 14, and use red color, red color. 14. It's now you draw 15, the numbers of 15. It's you are doing great, and use yellow color. Wow. 15. It's now you draw 16. Use blue color. 16. The numbers of 16. It's now you draw 17, the numbers of 17, and use brown color, nice color. 17. It's now you draw 18, the numbers of 18, and use black color, black color. the numbers of 18. It's now you draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use green color. Green color. 19. It's last you draw 20. The numbers of 20 and use red color. Red color. 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.